Having a developer cheat sheet can save a lot of your time whenever you are in hurry. Now there are tons of way to do it, but today I most probably have the best way to solve those things. So let's roll out the intro. Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and today I started my video a little bit differently because a friend of mine, I have mentioned his name before, that is Prantik. He suggested me to give a hook before starting out my video, so today I do that. But whatever, it's straight directly diving into the content. So or develop notes or develop a cheat sheet or whatever you want to call it, uh your go to copy pasting, whatever, why you would name it like that, whatever you want to cheat sheet can save you a lot of time, like when you are building a project, like when you know that you use certain type of tools. Like I use Next.js, then I include Tailwind CSS in it. I use Next.js with TypeScript. Then I include Tailwind CSS, and then a lot of other stuff that I usually use. Okay, to start a file. Now, what I have done is I have already created a certain amount of like starter files to be able to generate all of those instantly. Okay, so that is one thing to save your time. But some of the other elements like navbar, obviously I gonna use the same pattern of navbar in every website. Like the navbar structures remain same. The style may be style may differ from side to side, but the structure and the logic remain same. So these are some of the things that we should keep in a place. We should make a cheat sheet about it, for personal use, or you may can give it to others as well. So today I have a platform that actually serves this purpose. So let me show you that platform. Okay, so here we are at cheat.dev. Cheat.dev sounds too bad, to be honest. Whatever, here we are at, not bad, sounds too wrong. Okay, so here we are at cheese.dev, developer cheat sheet. Now there are 9 developer cheat sheet that is already public, and you can view them and you can see who have created them. Fibes has created them. Now this username is basically coming from the person who have created it, and it is basically linked to their the username is totally coming from their own GitHub, because I have also logged in here with GitHub. Hmm. So he have 8 cheat sheets, 5 bookmarks, 3 likes, as you can see it here. 8 cheat sheet, I can see 9 cheat sheet here. Okay, some other guy have also made an cheat sheet, and you made it available, make it available for public. Whatever, you can simply if you like one cheat sheet, you can just tag it here like git it or same. Suppose I liked it. Okay, so here are the basic git commands. Do you know what, I actually created a git repo just to copy the git init commands, the preliminary commands that we have to uh, implement in every other git project that we upload. So I have created a, a repository just to copy that codes. So those kind of things should be here. Okay, now I can totally just bookmark it. Bookmark has saved, and it will be available in my bookmarks thing, like in my bookmarks. Okay, and I can search from here as well. Obviously it will not show me anything, and I can create my own cheat sheet. I can create it from here. So how cool it is looking, right? edit preview, edit preview, edit preview. Wow, great. And I can start writing over here, give it a name, give it a description, and I whatever I want to save it, wherever I want to save it. If I want to make it publicly available, I can click on public. If I want to draft, if save it as draft, I can save it in my draft. I can save it, delete it. Now one thing you have noticed already that I know, that skeuomorphism, no, not skeuomorphism, neumorphism is used here. Like in the whole side, he has, I am suppose, like I am assuming that like the developer is a he. It can be she also, I don't know. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, don't judge me on this, whatever. So he or she has used every, like, neumorphism and everything. I'm loving this. Though neumorphism is a old design concept, but still, like, when you can see something like this and play with it, it really looks cool, right? Whatever. So that's the thing. You can simply add the description, yeah, write down your markdowns, and just that's it. And it would have been better if you can download it as well, but I can't see any download option from here, like download as a md file. So markdown file, so I can't see anything like that. Whatever, doesn't even matter. Okay. And if you have deleted something, you can see it in trash as well. So that's about it. That's about this whole site. It serves a really really small purpose. Okay, it has its own niche. To be honest, I really liked it, and I'm going to use it. That's why I even have created my account. Usually I don't create accounts like in every website that I use, but I have created my account just to use it because I know I gonna need it. That's the thing. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. Please let me know if you like my like, if you know about some of the great tools like this or not. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about, I have already repeated that line. I'm missing this ending every day. I don't know why. Whatever. Still, I'm being genuine. Okay. Whatever. Bye.